morning, children. So today we are gonna have fun with science. Let's start a new chapter, air and water, with the help of few activities. Okay, children, first of all, you all know about air. Air is present all around us in the form of a blanket. Air has certain properties like it occupies space, it has mass, it is required, or we can say it is essential for the burning of things. Air has one more important property which says that it exerts pressure on the things that are present all around us. And children, this is one of the most important property which helps us in doing various things. So one by one, we will try to show all these activities with the help of simple experiment. Let us begin with the first property, that air occupies space. For doing this activity, children, you need to take one balloon. This is a deflated balloon, a balloon which has no air in it. Now, take a plain sheet of paper and keep it like this and sketch out the outer boundary of this balloon. Right? Okay. Once you will do this, you will find that this deflated balloon has occupied only this much of space. Right? Now, let's see and try to fill this balloon with the help of a pump. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, now you all can see it has occupied a bigger space. What I have done? Nothing. Just simply filled this deflated balloon with the air. Right? If I'm gonna keep it on this plain sheet of a paper, you can very well see that it occupies a larger area. Much more space is being occupied by this balloon. So, we have proved very well that this inflated balloon, the balloon having air, occupy much more area, which proves our first property, that air occupies space. Suppose if I'm gonna let the air out, the balloon is gone, and again it has taken the small shape. So the first property is proved here. Moving on to the second property, here we need to take two candles, right? I'm gonna lit both the candles. Okay? So children, here we go with the first one, and that's the second one. Now you all can see both the candles are burning very well. Fine. Why are they burning? Because they are getting the oxygen, the air, which is present around them. Suppose I'm gonna cover one of the burning candle with this jar, right? Okay, let's do it. Now, let's see what happens next. The candle got extinguished. Now, this candle is no more burning. Why this happens? This happened because whatever air was present inside this jar, it was consumed by the candle. And when it couldn't get the fresh air, the candle extinguished. But this one is still burning until and unless I'm not gonna blow on it, right? And when I'm gonna blow on this candle, the carbon dioxide which I'm exhaling out will come out and it will extinguish the candle. So simple, right? So this experiment proved that air is required for burning. Okay. The third and a very interesting experiment is Air exert pressure on the things which are present around us. For this, you need to take a bottle like this, right? You all enjoy drinking the cold drinks and all. Remove the cap of this bottle. After this, just make a small hole in this bottle somewhere here, in between, right? The way I have done, I have made a small hole and take one straw like this. I'm gonna fix this straw in this bottle. Alright, children? You all can see the setup. After this, I'm gonna fill this bottle with the water I am having in this glass. This much is enough. Okay? Not above the level of the hole, otherwise the water will start dripping out of that hole. Once again, I'm gonna take this balloon and the pump, and with the help of this pump, I'm gonna fill the air inside this balloon. Now, children, look here. This is going to be one of the very interesting activities. This straw is gonna act like a tap, like a pump. This glass is empty, right? Nothing is there. I'm gonna keep this glass just below the straw. Okay? So, what all the setup is about? We have taken one empty bottle. We have made a small hole over here. Then the straw, we have fitted the straw inside this. I have taken some amount of water in this bottle and kept a glass over here. Main thing, I was having one deflated balloon and then I filled the air inside the balloon. Air. Now, what I'm gonna do, I have to do this carefully. I need to place the mouth of this balloon. So children, now what I have done here is, I have taken this deflated balloon, inflated it with the help of the pump, and I have fixed it on the mouth of this bottle. Now, you all can see the setup. That's the bottle having water, a straw in it, and that's just an empty glass. Now, let me just open the mouth of this balloon so that it can exert pressure on this water. So, what happened when the air inside this balloon exerted the pressure on the water from this bottle came out and the straw just acted like a pump. So this shows that air has the ability to exert pressure on whatever thing is present in its surroundings. So children, if we look here, we have discussed that air occupies space, air exerts pressure, air helps in burning. Now, your homework is that air has mass, right? You have to do the simple experiment, form a video of just 1 minute and send it to me. How will you do this? You're going to take one deflated balloon and one inflated. Then try to make a small beam balance, right? Either with the help of coconut shells or any old ball, cut it into two halves, tie the threads and try to make a beam balance, right? Then at one corner of that beam balance, try to hang this deflated balloon and the other corner the inflated balloon, and let me know which one is heavier, right? Do record your video and send it to me. Take care. Bye.